Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. In previous videos, I have already discussed about ChatGPT and also how to log in ChatGPT and how you are going to work under ChatGPT and also the interface of ChatGPT. Okay, now in this video, we are going to learn the top 10 things what the ChatGPT can do. See, we may be thinking only for the chatting purpose we are using ChatGPT, but here in this video, I'm going to show what are the 10 top things we are using for ChatGPT or ChatGPT can do for us? Okay, in that, see already what we discussed in the previous videos, we know that mainly we are using ChatGPT for the ChatGPT we are using for only for chatting purpose. Means whatever the problems or whatever the questions we are having, just we are going to type there in the interface of ChatGPT and we are going to ask the solution for ChatGPT. But in this video, I'll show you 10 amazing and hidden things that ChatGPT can do that will completely change how you use AI from creating videos and images to solve problems. So in this video, I'm going to show how to use AI, that is artificial intelligence, for creating videos and images and solving problems and also coding and automatic tasks. See all these tricks I'm going to show how the ChatGPT can do for us in this video. Okay, now let us start. What are the things the ChatGPT can do for us? Okay, here if you see, there are 10 things, top 10 things the ChatGPT can do for us. See, in the first one is create full YouTube scripts and in a second. See, it is going to create a YouTube scripts in a second. See, fraction of a second, the ChatGPT is going to create a YouTube scripts. See, suppose you want to write any script for the YouTube, or I want to create any concept for the YouTube. See, the YouTube means the ChatGPT is going to provide us the scripts in within a fraction of seconds for the YouTube creations. Then the second topmost point is generate images and art ideas. See, if at all you want to create any images, if at all you want to generate any images related to our concept, just we are going to ask ChatGPT. Within a few seconds, the ChatGPT is going to create or generate images, whatever the description we have given. Depending on the description, the ChatGPT is going to generate images. See that only what description we are going to call it as here prompt. See if you know to to write a correct prompt, we are going to get or generate images easily under the ChatGPT. Then art ideas. See if at all you want to do any art under ChatGPT, we will get very good ideas for the arts. Then the third point or the third thing what ChatGPT can do for us, it makes resumes. It makes resumes, emails, and presentations. See, earlier you used to struggle to make resumes, emails, and presentations. Now the trend has been changed. See, within a fraction of seconds, we are going to prepare our resumes. Within a fraction of second, we are going to get write emails, and also within a fraction of second, we can create our presentations. That too, without having any knowledge. Whether we have knowledge or no, it's not a matter. If you know to use the chat GPT can do all this work for us. But at least we should have the sense how can we use the chat GPT. At least you should have a little bit knowledge to use chat GPT. If you don't know the English, if you don't know the concept, if you don't know to write, no need to worry. If you know the basic knowledge of using ChatGPT, the ChatGPT can do all this work for us. That is creating resumes, writing emails, and creating a presentations. Then another work the ChatGPT can do for us, that is code like a pro. See, As a user, suppose we don't know the code or program, just you ask ChatGPT related to code, whatever the code you want to generate or write. Within a fraction of second, the code is going to be get ready in front of our eyes. The ChatGPT, which see without struggling, the ChatGPT is going to get a code whatever the particular code we will ask. Depending on that, the ChatGPT can get the code for the users. See, this is one of the work what ChatGPT can do for us. Then the fifth one is write stories, jokes, and poems. See, suppose if at all you want to write any stories, just ask ChatGPT. That ChatGPT can write stories very easily. And also, if you want to write any jokes, see, if you want to write any jokes, we don't know some of the jokes, no need to struggle or no need to worry here. Just if you ask ChatGPT, the ChatGPT will make ready-made jokes or generate jokes for us within a fraction of second. Then poems. See here, if you don't know to write poem, okay, no need to worry here. If you ask ChatGPT, the ChatGPT will create or generate a poems within a fraction of second. See anything if you ask within a few seconds or within a few minutes, it is going to provide for the users. Okay, then the sixth one is build business ideas. See, suppose I want to start or you want to start any one of the new business here. You don't have any idea or I don't have any idea. See what we can do here. Just if we ask ChatGPT, here it is going to provide us some of the business ideas. See, just if we log into ChatGPT and there on the ChatGPT interface, we are going to ask some business ideas. If we ask, it is going to provide us some business ideas. See, by using ChatGPT, you will get some new business ideas. Then the seventh one is study smarter using AI. See, earlier, suppose if at all you want to get any solutions for the particular questions, we used to struggle. Means you used to search some of the old books here and there, or you should ask some of the professor, lecturers, or teachers. But now there is no like that. If you have any doubt in the study, suppose in the study we are having any doubt, just if we ask ChatGPT by using AI, the ChatGPT is going to provide all the solutions now. Even though the students can also use very smartly ChatGPT to get the proper solutions. Whatever the questions or whatever the problems they will give for the ChatGPT, within a fraction of second, it is going to provide us a solution. So in this way, in study also, it is useful for us. Okay, another one, translate or summarize instantly. See, translate is nothing but suppose translator. See, suppose here I know only Kannada language and I don't know English language here. Okay, I know only Kannada and here I don't know English. So what I am going to do here, I am going to ask ChatGPT to translate Kannada into English. See, whatever the language is there, Kannada, it may be a file, folder, or anything, or word, sentence, anything. If it is there in the Kannada, I know only Kannada and I don't know English. Suppose if anybody has to write in English or read in English, no need to worry here. Just whatever it is there text, if you ask the ChatGPT to translate into the any language, not only English, it may be Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, Tulu, whatever the language you want to translate, the ChatGPT can translate within a fraction of second. See here, by using the translator, it is going to translate one language into another language within a fraction of seconds. Then also summarize. See, summarize means it is going to give a summary for particular topics. Means whatever we give one simple topic or single word, if we give for that single word, it is going to give full the entire summary of that particular uh, subject. Means particular whatever the concept you have given, but For the depending that concept, it is going to give full summary for the users. That is instantly means it won't take any more much more time. The ninth one is connect ChatGPT with other tools. See, in ChatGPT also we are going to connect with other tools. Like already in the previous videos I discussed, one of the AI tool that is Sora is there inside the ChatGPT. We are using Sora to create a text to video by using that Sora AI tool. Like that, the ChatGPT is having still more AI tools inside that, and also it does for us still much more works. See here, these are the top 10 things what the ChatGPT can do for us. I hope you have understood very clearly what ChatGPT can do for us in a real life. Okay, now if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And also, I'll say why to subscribe. See, for example, yeah, if you love exploring AI tool, what is the reason you should subscribe to my channel? If you love exploring AI tools, productivity hacks, and ChatGPT magic, hit subscribe button and like my videos, and also press bell icon after hitting the subscribe button, and you will get every day notifications of my videos. Thank you.